Hi, welcome to Alwala's General Knowledge.
Nobel recipients from India. How many Indians got Nobel Prize so far? All those things we have to discuss. Total 9 Indians got Nobel Prize, and also one Indian origin British citizen, because he was not born in India. These people born settled in other countries also we are calculating Indians. That's why 9 Indians and one Indian origin British citizen got Nobel Prize so far. Nobel Prize is the greatest and oldest honor in the world. This prize is given in 6 categories. Our Indians got in all categories. 6 categories our Indians got. Basically, Nobel Prizes were started in 5 fields, but in 1969 economics also started. That's why total Nobel Prizes are giving in 6 fields or categories. They are peace, literature, physics, chemistry, medicine, and economics. Maximum Americans got these Nobel Prizes. More than 375 Americans got Nobel Prize. After that, Britain. Our country is 22nd position. From top recipients onwards, whenever we calculate, USA is number 1, more than 375. Americans got Nobel Prize so far, but our Indians only these 10 personalities, one person including one Indian origin British citizen, total 10 persons got. Our position is 22nd from USA. That's why we are very poor getting these Nobel Prizes point of view. One by one we have to discuss. Number 1, Rabindranath Tagore. He is the first Nobel recipient or Nobel laureate of our country. He was born in 1861 and he was died in 1941. Rabindranath Tagore. He got Nobel Prize in 1913 in literature for his Gitanjali work. First he wrote in Gitanjali Bengali language, after that he translated into English, then famous, he got very fame, all over the world. First Indian and also first Asian got Nobel Prize is Rabindranath Tagore. Actually started in 1901. After 12 years, this Rabindranath Tagore got Nobel Prize. That is, you remember. Next, second person, C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman was born in Tamil Nadu in 1888. He was died in 1970. He got Nobel Prize in 1930. In category, main category is physics. On the work of Raman effect, it is related to optics in physics. On the work of this Raman effect, he got Nobel Prize in 1930. He invented this Raman effect on February 28, 1928. That's why on the memory of this Raman effect, we observe every year National Science Day is on February 28. Don't confuse. National Science Day is February 28. In our country, National Technology Day is observed on May 11th. Because India conducted nuclear tests in 1998 on May 11th. We conducted 3 nuclear tests. Next, May 13, 2 nuclear tests conducted. But on the memory of this incident, we have been following from 1998. National Technology Day is on May 11th. National Science Day is on February 28th. On the memory of this Raman effect. That is, remember, C.V. Raman is the founder director of Indian Institute of Science. He started Indian Physics Journal and also he founded Indian Academy of Sciences. He developed a lot Indian Institute of Sciences, Bangalore. First director. On the work of this person, Indian Institute of Science is very good position in our country. That is, remember, C.V. Raman. Next, Hargobind Khurana. He was born in 1922. He was died in 2011. Hargobind Khurana. He got Nobel Prize in medicine, physiology, particularly physiology, medicine. He developed artificial gene in human being. That's why he got Nobel Prize. When he received the Nobel Prize, at the time he was citizen of USA. Born in India but worked and also settled in America. That's why he is Indian born American citizen. He got Nobel Prize in 1968. in this medicine artificial gene point of view got this honor. Next, fourth Indian, Mother Teresa, born 1910. She was born in 1910 and died in 1997. She got Nobel Prize in 1979. Category is peace category. For her social work, she got Nobel Prize in 1979. She was born in Yugoslavia for Albanian parents. At the age of 24-25 years, she came to our country. She started her career as a teacher. After that, she started social work. In 1950, she established Missionaries of Charity in Kolkata. After that, in 1952, she established Nirmal Hruday in Kolkata. More than 130 countries, her charity organizations are present working, that is Missionaries of Charity. On the work of the social work, she got Nobel Prize in 1979. She was died in 1997. Next, fifth Indian is Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. He was born in 1910 but died in 1995. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, nephew of C.V. Raman. He got Nobel Prize in Physics in 1983 on the concept of Chandrasekhar limit. It is related to black hole theory. In this concept he worked, then Chandrasekhar got Nobel Prize in 1983. When he received Nobel Prize at the time, he was also citizen of USA. At the time of receiving time, he was not Indian citizen, he was American citizen, Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. But we are counting this person also as Indian, that is remember. On the memory of this person, America Space Department dedicated his name to America's Space Observatory, that is Chandra. America's Space Observatory name is Chandra on the memory of this Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. One Indian got great honor in American space technology. The person is Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. Next, sixth Indian is Amartya Sen. He was born in 1933, world famous welfare economist. He worked in different countries even though he did not take any country citizenship. Present is also citizen of India. He got Nobel Prize in 1998 in economics, particularly his concept is welfare economics. Because most of the countries are thinking in the world about welfare. Very few countries are developed countries. Maximum 15 countries are developed countries in the world. So many countries are developing countries in the world. Nearly 30 poor countries are there, but maximum countries in the world, developing countries. Those developing countries always think about welfare. Compared to development economics, compared to agriculture economics, different types of economic branches are there, but of all economic branches, the most important branch is welfare economics. On the work of this welfare economics, Amartya Sen got Nobel Prize in 1998. He wrote so many books. He wrote 37 above books on his own and 10 other books written with other persons. Amartya Sen. Next, seventh person or seventh Indian Nobel laureate is Venkatraman Ramakrishnan. He was born in 1952. He is living in USA now at present. He got Nobel Prize in 2009 in chemistry. He worked on ribosome theory. Ribosomes are located in cells, human being cells. On this concept point of view, he worked. That's why he got Nobel Prize in 2009. He is also a present citizen of America. That person is V. Ramakrishnan, Venkatraman Ramakrishnan. Next, eighth person, Kailash Satyarthi. He was born in 1954. Famous social worker, child rights protector. He is educating child rights and also he protecting child rights. That person Kailash Satyarthi. He belongs to Madhya Pradesh. He was born in Vidisha, Madhya Pradesh, one small town in Madhya Pradesh, that is Vidisha. He started Bachpan Bachao Andolan in 1980. He protected more than 80,000 children. That's why he got Nobel Prize in 2014. He shared this Nobel Prize with Pakistani girl Yusuf Jahi Malala or Malala Yousafzai. Famous child rights protector in Pakistan, Malala. With that person, okay, he shared Nobel Prize in 2014. Bachpan Bachao Andolan belongs to Kailash Satyarthi. Next, ninth person or ninth, Abhijit Vinayak Banerjee. Recipient, who is the latest Indian recipient, is Abhijit Vinayak Banerjee, simply called Abhijit Banerjee. Okay, he was born in 1961. He is living in USA. He is working in Massachusetts Institute of Technology, America. Economics professor. He got Nobel Prize in economics. Okay, he is researching experimental approach to alleviating global poverty. So many countries are facing poverty problem. So many country people are not getting at least proper facilities. All this concept point of view has been researched. Okay, he shared Nobel Prize with other two persons, his wife and also another economics professor. Okay, that is Abhijit Banerjee. His latest book is Good Economics, Hard Times. What is the latest book of Abhijit Banerjee? Good Economics, Hard Times. That is the latest book of Abhijit Banerjee. Last, we have to concentrate this person also, V.S. Naipaul. Vidyadhar Suraj Prasad Naipaul. He was born in 1932 at Trinidad Tobago. After that, studies purpose, he shifted to Britain. His forefathers were lived in our country. He was born 1932, died in 2018. He got Nobel Prize in Literature in 2001. Okay, that person wrote so many fiction and non-fiction writings. That person is V.S. Naipaul. Okay, finally, what we have to remember here, 9 Indians got Nobel Prize and one Indian origin British citizen got Nobel Prize. Okay, our country is 22nd position all over the worldwide. Maximum Americans, 375 above Americans got Nobel Prize so far. How many Indians got in peace means 2 Indians got Nobel Prize in this peace category. Physics 2 persons got, chemistry is only 1 person got, economics also 2 persons got, literature 1 Indian and 1 Indian origin British citizen got. These are the main important points remember about Nobel Prizes. Thank you.